5-9, just take off.
5-9, did you say the vehicle's taken off?
Firm, but we're at a dead end.
Receive.
Give us code 10. I'm going to spike it. Did you get it? No spike, no spike. Heading back towards Rich.
Okay, I'm catching up to you guys. I'll call it. Copy. We're just passing 25th Avenue right now. Yep, I'm number 3 right behind you guys. Northbound, Slater Canyon, Blue, the stop sign.
Receive.
Down the Shady Lips Trail, right at Lacey Boulevard here.
Receive.
50 miles an hour on the trail. Past mile marker 4.5 on the trail. Going to be northbound over the trail, little ramp. We're going over the overpass, over Pacific.
Receive.
Speeds of 48, just got over the overpass, continuing northbound on the trail.
Receive.
Coming up to the overpass, going over I-5.
Receive over I-5.
You need to advise Olympia as well, now that we're going to be in their territory. Over the overpass, going for the one that goes over Martin Way. Mile marker 5.5 on the trail. 20 miles an hour.
Receive.
Cleared the overpass, still north on the trail. Daytime dog walkers out here. So far, they're getting off the side.
Copy, dog walkers getting off to the side.
Coming up to 26.
26.
8-9 parallel with them on Slater Canyon.
8-9 paralleling Slater Canyon.
5-9 hit one of the cones in the middle of the trail to stop cars from driving. We're eastbound 26. 36 is going for pit. Good pit, good pit.
Eastbound 36, good pit.
TBI.
And TBI.
He's still going.
Hit one of the cones in the middle of the trail to stop cars from driving. We're eastbound 26. 36 is going for pit. Good pit, good pit.
Eastbound 36, good pit.
TBI.
And TBI.
He's still going. Reversing eastbound. 5-9, he's in reverse. Hit a camper, code 10. Got him blocked in. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hands! 5-9, not listening to commands, digging in the front. Show us your hands!
Get out of the fucking car now! Hands up, hands are up. Show me your hands! Open the door!
Turn the keys. Yeah, I got his hands. I got his. He's trying to start it again. Pull open his door. Pull open his door. 5-9. He's not going anywhere. He's locked in, but he's trying to start it again. Taser, taser, taser. Still refusing commands.
Keep those hands where I can see them. Do not reach for anything.
I got both of his hands here. We're good.
It's right here. Get the fuck out of the car.
5-9, he's out of the car.